This tutorial is going to go over multiple regression seasonality. So the first thing that we're going to do is put this table into another table that Excel can use for multiple regression. So the first column is going to be year, and then it's going to go quarter. So if we just do year 1, quarter 1, year 1, quarter 2, year 1, quarter 3, and then year 1, quarter 4. Now we're basically just going to do it for year 2 through 5. Well, if I just bring this down a little bit. Right. And I can copy and paste this. So this last one would be year 5, quarter 4. So that takes care of the first few rows. Next we're going to have time, which is just a running count of how many quarters we've had. So 4, so this one should be 5, all the way down to 20, because 4 times 5 is 20, because that's how many quarters we've had. So now we're going to do quarter 1, and then through quarter 3. And we're going to do through quarter 3 and not quarter 4 because, like I said in one of my other tutorials, we need one less column than there are variables. So if there's 4 quarters, we only need 3 variables. So we're going to put a 1 every time we see this quarter. So 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, and then 0, 0, 0. And since this is going to stay the same for each year, we can actually copy and paste this. So that's what this part will look like. Next, we need to put in the sales, or the Y, and that's going to be everything in this table right here. So what we're going to do is just do equals this year, and then we can bring it down 3 equals the next year. And this works because of how it's set up. If this quarters were up here and years are right here, you would actually need to physically put them in because it's not in the same way that this is represented. So now year 3, bring it down. Year 4, bring it down. And then year 5. And bring it down. So now this is the table that we're going to use. We're going to omit these ones just because this time column takes care of both of them. So now what we're going to do is run the regression. So if we just go to data, analysis, to regression, our Y input range is going to be the sales column, and our X is going to be time through quarter 3. Click off labels, and then you can put this wherever you want. I'll do J13, and then hit OK. So we see here that the adjusted R squared is good, so it's a good model, it's a good predictor. And significant of F is below 0.05 by a significant amount, so it's also a good model. So now what we're going to want to do is predict for year 6 in all 4 quarters. So if we do, if we use sum product and we make a table, it's the easiest way to do it. So let's just do 4 ones up here, because this is going to be year 6, quarter 1. Let's see if that copies over. Yep. So year 6 through quarter 4. So time, we're going to start off 1 plus this, so 21, 22, 23, and 24. So this is quarter 1. It's not quarter 2 or 3. It's quarter 2, not 1 or 3. Quarter 3, and then quarter 4 has all 4 zeros. So now what we're going to do is sum product this, omit the year quarter one, and this. And if we hit F4 on this, we can drag it over. So what this is going to do is multiply this times this plus this times this, so on and so forth. And I'm using intercept as 1 right here for multiplying it because it's not supposed to be multiplied by anything. So a 1 just adds it to everything. So let's hit enter, and we see that our prediction for quarter one of year 6 is going to be 491.6. So if we drag this over and then sum it up, we see that we think that we're going to be able to sell 2,236.4 units, or that's going to be our sales. And that would be it. I hope you found this helpful.